Hi, so welcome back. This is super duper awesome, Mr. Giddy Pop. So we continue our lesson on the area of rectangles. So this in this class, we're going to just do some practice questions. Is that okay? So let's go. So these are students holding answers to the areas, right? Sorry, the area of the rectangles above, right? So we're just going to match them. Is that okay? So, but we have to solve them before we match them. And please always pay attention. You can see this is 16 millimeters square and this is 16 centimeters square. They're not the same. So you have to look for the um the rectangle with the dimensions with the different units, right? So let's start with the blue one. That's, of course, length times width, easy peasy. So this is a walkover, just nothing complicated. That's just easy. So this is 8 times 2, right? And this will be 8 times 2, and that's 16 millimeters square. So we match this to 16 millimeters square. That's for Logan. And then the next one, that's 5 times 4. Easy peasy. 5 times 4 is 20 centimeters square. Right. So that's for Nathan. And then for this one, that's 4 times 4. And that's 16 centimeters square. And that's right here. And then we have 2.5 times 8. That would give you 2.5 is like let's say 25 over 10, right? Times 8. So 5 here 1, 5 here, sorry, 5 here 2, 5 here 5. 2 cancel 8 is 4. So we have 5 times 4 left, and that's 20 meters square. So we'll match this to Basma's card. Yeah, so very easy, right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we're going to do more. Just hold on. I'm going to clear my screen and yeah, so let's just see the answer again. Be sure we got everything. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, and stop sharing this, and then we're moving to, so I'll share another one, right? All right, so here, now here you have to read the instruction first. It says find the area of each figure shown. So I'm going to be writing from here so I can move down. Okay, so I can write. So this is a square. Remember, area of a square is L square, which is L times L, where L here is 4. So 4 times 4, and that equals 16, right? 16 centimeters square. So that's 16 centimeters square. Easy peasy, right? Let's move up. Now, number 2. So I expect you to pause the video, attempt the questions, and then you can play it. Is that okay? All right, next one, area of this rectangle. This is length, this is the width, and area is length times width. All right, the length is 6, and the width is 4. So that's 6 times 4. It's 24. 24 meters square. Always remember the units. So this is 24 meters square. The next one is a square. So area of a square, just pick out just one of them. Area of a square is L squared, and that's 9 square, which is 9 times 9. And that's what? 81 meters square. So 81 meters square. All right, the next one, number 4. This is the length, this is the width. You can choose this as a length, as a width because of the commutative property of multiplication, right? So area equals length times width, and that's 6 times 2, and that equals 12 centimeters square. That's super easy, right? You see, it's nothing really difficult here. This area of a triangle. Why did they write triangle here? I'm sure this was an error because this is a square. So area of a square is L square. And then, of course, you know L equals 3. So that's area 3 square. And that's 3 times 3. And that gives us what? 9. 9 centimeters square. Lemon squeezy, right? All right, let's move to another one, another board, another worksheet. So it says, I can find the area of squares and rectangles by multiplying. See, that's just it, by just multiplying. So let's do this one. This is the length and this is the width. So area is length times width, and that is 8 times 3, and that's 24 centimeters square. All right, how about this one? This is the length, this is the width. So I like to use the longest side as a length. So area equals length times width, and that's 7 times 5, and that's 35. Oh, so there's a place to put the answer. So here's 24. Now you see the answer is in feet. So 35. Okay, we have the units there already. Now for this one, you just multiply and that's all. That's all. So this is 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. And here, 10 times 4, and that's 40. See? And for number 5, and that's 9 times 2, of course, it's 18. And for this one, 8 times 5. See, easy peasy. And that's 40. Do we have another one? Okay, that's all. So it's the area of rectangle is just you multiplying the length by the width. That's super easy. All right, so have a beautiful. Please always like and share, make a comment. I want to hear from you. I want to hear how this class is helping you. Have a beautiful